Okay, next step is like going with the darker shade one more time. See, neatly you have to form the line. You can either use this brush. I am just going with the dark brown and the skin tone with the dark in it, much darker. Just go one more time. Okay, so you can use like a brush like this. I really like this brush because this has good sharp chisel as well as it blends well. So something like this, a round brush, and then you can just dip it, load it, and then you have to just spread it slowly. Okay, and then deepen the parts where you want to. Okay, just slowly, and then finish the whole face with deepening. So we need more deep. Wherever you think more deep is required, just deepen. Okay, so what I'm doing is basically, okay, so give the color and blend it back, and then just now you can just brighten all the spots that you already did, like the nose. Okay, so just eyes, everything lightly, then just deepen lightly. See, I'm blending it back. The line should be blended. Okay, so you have to do it very carefully. It's not like just drawing the line and leaving, but I am blending back the line. That way you get much deeper tone into your skin tone. Okay, so by doing that you get more, you achieve more depth in the painting. Okay, so always when doing painting, fabric painting, keep the medium fabric painting medium handy so that you can blend it. So just take the medium and wherever you think you can just blend it back, the shadows you want to deepen, so you can. Okay, so continue for the whole hands, for the face, for the neck, everything, and then we will meet back for doing the hair.